Hi guys, I am Tripura and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we are going to create this beautiful look. This saree and this look are giving me festive feels for sure. I am so feeling this look. I just can't explain how beautifully it turned out. Before we get into this video, please subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram because I create different looks there also. So let's get into the video. First of all, I am going to start with my eyebrows. Today for my eyebrows, I am going to use the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade Soft Cool Black. I am first going to outline my brows and then I am going to fill in my brows. Remember guys, this eyebrow pencil is so pigmented that you have to go very light-handed with the product. While outlining the product, be so careful because if you go overhanded, it could spoil your eyebrow look. Always use a spoolie and brush your eyebrow hairs so that you will get a better idea of where to fill in your brows. I like to keep the front part of my eyebrows little natural, so I am just using a brow mascara to keep them in place. Once my eyebrows are done, I am going to prime my eyelids. Here I am using the P. Louise base in the shade 2. The reason I am using a lighter base is because the colors will be seen more vibrantly if you use a lighter base. And for my eyeshadow today, I am using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill's palette too. I know this palette is not available in India, but there are so many Instagram stores where you can get this palette from. First, I am going to take the black shade from the eyeshadow palette and using an eyeliner brush, I am creating a winged effect. I am not actually drawing a wing, but I am just creating that effect using a black eyeshadow. I am extending the wings up till the brow so that I will get a more fuller eyeshadow look. And I am using very little product in the inner corners of my eyes. I am going to smudge this because I want to get a smoky effect. I want to get that smoky eyeliner effect. So I am taking a pencil brush. Pencil brushes will give you a more precise application and blending. So I am using that here. I am doing the same for the other eye. Once I am happy with the smudged effect on both of my eyes, I am going to take this shade from the palette and using a flat brush, I am going to pack the color on my eyelid first. I am not blending the color directly. First, I am going to pack the color and then using the flat brush, I am blending the color. Once I feel the color is blended, to blend the black and this color, I am using a small blending brush and blending the both. You will get a little sharp edges if you use a flat eyeshadow brush. So I am using a small blending brush to get a more softer effect. I don't want any harsh looking eyeshadow effect. So I am blending it so well. It takes so much patience to blend your eyeshadow guys. Just don't do it for few seconds and feel like you're not getting how to do an eyeshadow. Blend and blend until you get the effect you're looking for. Once I repeat the process on both of my eyelids, I am going to take this lighter shade from the palette and going to apply it upper on my crease. So I am going to take a blending brush and blend all these three colors together so that it will look like a gradient of colors. It will give you a more beautiful effect. Once this is neatly blended, I am going to repeat the process for my other eyelid too. I am going to blend until I am satisfied with the output. Once I am satisfied with the output, I am taking micellar water on a cotton bud and I am using it to clean the excess eyeshadow fallout. You can even use a tape at the beginning of the eyeshadow, then this step won't be needed for you guys if you do that. Then we move on to my favorite part of eyeshadow, that is applying shimmer or a glitter. Here I am using the shimmer and using my fingers I am applying it all over my eyelid. Using your fingers will give you a better application with shimmers or glitters than using a eyeshadow brush. I am applying it until I am satisfied with the output. Once I am done with my eyeshadow look, I am going to color correct my face. I am taking a very little product guys and then color correcting the places where I have pigmentation. I am using my fingers to color correct it, and I am applying the product and blending it using the fingers only. Once I am done with color correcting, I am using a concealer over it. Here I am using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Medium Beige, and using a concealer brush I am neatly blending the product. Once I am done blending the product, I am again taking a beauty blender and using a beauty blender to blend the product because it will take any excess makeup. Once I am done with concealing, I am going to use a foundation. Here I am using the Milani foundation. I am not even taking a pump guys because I went little overhanded with the concealer, so I want to minimize the use of foundation. I am taking very little product and dotting it all over my face, and using a beauty blender I am going to blend it in. If you want a full coverage, you can opt for a brush instead of a beauty blender. It will give you a more full coverage. Once I am done with my foundation, I am going to set everything in place so that it does not move throughout the day. Here I am using the MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation in the shade NC42. This is just amazing guys. I've been using this from past 4 years I guess, and I never looked back. It is so beautiful. It is going to keep everything in place. Once it's done, I am going to do my lower lash line. Here I am using the Nykaa Glamorous eye pencil in the shade Emerald Wand, and I am using it to do my lower lash line. I am using this color because the border of my saree has the color, so I just want that pop of color, so I am using this. Once I am done with my eyes, I am going to bronze my face. Here I am using the Balm Bahama Mama bronzer and bronzing my face. I love bronzing guys. It just brings all that structure back again to your face. And then I am going to use a blush. Here I am using the Sugar Cosmetics blush. And for my highlighter today, I am using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and using a highlighter brush I am very precisely applying it. And then I am going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara and fake lashes. And finally I am going to use the Sugar Cosmetics liquid lipstick. This is a very beautiful lipstick, and I just feel this goes so well with the look. That's it for the look guys. I hope you guys liked it, and also happy Durga Puja.